everyone, myself Asha Tukaram Miner, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Mula Education Society, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pune. I am going to talk about Introduction and General Terminology of Plant Pathology. Introduction of Plant Pathology. Let's see meaning of pathology. Pathology is derived from two Greek words. First, pathos means suffering or disease, and second, logos means study. Thus, plant pathology means the study of plant diseases. Students, you must know that why the study of plant pathology is important. It is important because human being and most of the other living organism survival depends on plants for their food material and oxygen. Imagine world without plants. What happen? No one in the world can survive. So that the study of plant health, study of plant diseases and protect them from their enemies is very important, and these all things covered under the plant pathology. Definition of plant pathology. Plant pathology is the branch of botany. It is the scientific study of plant diseases caused by pathogens and environmental conditions. Pathogens is an infectious organism which causes disease to the plants, and environmental conditions also responsible for causing diseases to the plants. Organisms that causes infectious diseases include fungi, bacteria, viruses, phytoplasmas, nematodes, etc. These all different group of living organisms, that is fungi, bacteria, viruses, phytoplasmas, nematodes, are collectively called as pathogens, which is an infectious organism that causes disease to the plants. And environmental conditions includes physiological factors, that is water, temperature, soil, which are also responsible for causing diseases to the plants. Organisms that not included in plant pathology are ectoparasites like insect, mites, vertebrates or other pests that affect plant health by eating plant tissues. Plant pathology also involves the study of pathogen identification, disease etiology, disease cycle, economic impact, plant disease epidemiology, plant disease resistance, how plant disease affect humans and animals, and management of plant diseases. These all different things are studied under the plant pathology. Next point, important terminologies of plant pathology. Before studying another concept of plant pathology, all of you know that the general terminology of plant pathology, which will very helpful to you understand whole pathology subject. The various terminologies are used while studying the plant pathology. Some of these are First terminology is host. Let's see what is host. Any organism that supports the activity of parasite is known as host. असा ऑर्गॅनिझम की जो पॅरासाइट किंवा पॅथोजनच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीला सपोर्ट करतो. एक्झाम्पल प्लांट, ॲनिमल एक्सेट्रा ॲक्ट ॲज अ होस्ट. नेक्स्ट pathogen, an organism which is capable of causing disease in a particular host is known as pathogen. पर्टिक्युलर पॅथोजन हा त्याच्या पर्टिक्युलर होस्टला डिसीज कॉज करत असतो. एक्झाम्पल फंजाय, बॅक्टेरिया ॲक्ट ॲज अ पॅथोजन विच causes disease to other living organism. The organism which is responsible for causing disease to the other living organism is called as the pathogen. Next, incubation, a circumstance where the host and pathogen come initially into contact as by the falling of airborne spore on the leaf surface. It is the first step where host and pathogen come in contact before the causing infection to their host. Next, inoculum. It is the essential material of infection that is required to cause disease, and it is specific portion of pathogen that come in contact with the host. Example, fungal spore. It is the material which is required to cause infection. It is the material of pathogen which is required to cause disease to their host is called as the inoculum. Next, penetration. It is the entry of inoculums of a pathogen into the host. This is the first step in the contact of the inoculum with the host cell. Example, entry of germinating fungal spore germ tube into the host cell. Next, infection. A successful establishment of a pathogen into the host after the penetration, in which a parasitic relationship is established between host and pathogen. After penetration, pathogen will grow in the host cell. Their growth and development will take place within the host cell, and this successful establishment of a pathogen into the host is called as the infection. Next, parasite. An organism existing in an intimate association with another living organism from which it depends from which it absorbs essential food material for its survival. Parasite, it is an organism which causes infection to another living organism and it absorbs essential food material for its survival from another living organism. Next, incubation period. It is the interval of time between penetration of the host by pathogen and first appearance of the symptoms on the host is known as the incubation period. इन्क्युबेशन पेनिट्रेशन झाल्यापासून ते सिम्पटम्स डेव्हलप होईपर्यंतचा जो कालावधी आहे त्याला इन्क्युबेशन पिरियड असं म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट टर्मिनॉलॉजी, डिसीज. A disease is a particular abnormal conditions that negatively affects the structure or function of all or part of an organism and that is not due to any immediate external injury. Disease can be developed by disease development takes place slowly. Step by step they develop or affect to the other living organism and it is not due to any immediate external injury. Next, plant disease. This disease is related to plant. It is any abnormal conditions that alters the appearance and functions of the plants. It is physiological process that affect the some or all plant functions. It's called as the plant disease. Organism that can alters the appearance and functions of the plants is called as plant disease. Next, plant disease. It is related to plant. It is any abnormal conditions that alters the appearance and functions of the plants. It is the physiological process that affect the some or all plant functions. Next terminology, disease development. It is the series of events that takes place between the period of infection and complete development of the disease. Here different events included in the disease development from infection to complete development of the disease. Next term, sign. Pathogen part or product can be seen on the host plant is known as sign. Example, fungal fruiting bodies or fungal spore can be seen on the host plant. That fungal product is known as sign. Next, symptoms. The external or internal expression in a host plant due to a disease are known as symptoms. The visible effect of disease on plants are called symptoms. That is, any detectable change in color, shape or function of the plants in response to a pathogen is a symptoms. It is the visible effect of disease on plants, that is change in color of leaf, change in shape of leaf or different color spots will produce on the plant surface known as symptoms. Next, disease cycle. The chain of event or stages involved in the development of disease is known as disease cycles. Different stages like incubation, penetration, infection, growth and development of pathogen, dissemination of pathogen is involved in disease cycles. Next, endophyte, the organism which entirely lives within the substrate plant is known as endophyte. Next are suscept. Any plant that can be attacked by a pathogen or any other damaging factor is referred to as suscept. A pathogen which causes disease to the other living organism, example plant or animal, is known as suscept. Next, resistance. It is nothing but ability of host plant to prevent or restrict the successful effect of a pathogen. Host plant will fight against the pathogen. They resist or restrict the entry of pathogen into the host cell is known as resistance. Next term, epidemic. A widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in a community at a particular time is known as epidemic. In a community means in a particular area at a particular time. पर्टिक्युलर एरिया आणि पर्टिक्युलर टायमिंगमध्ये डिसीजचा खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात स्प्रेड होतो. ज्याचं कंट्रोल करणं अशक्य होतं त्याला इपिडेमिक कंडिशन असं म्हटलं जातं. नेक्स्ट टर्म, एटिओलॉजी. इट इन्व्हॉल्व्स द स्टडी ऑफ व्हेरियस फॅक्टर कॉजिंग डिसीज, their nature and their relation with the host. Next, epidemiology. The study of the interrelationship between a given pathogen, the environment and groups or population of the relevant host. A study of interrelationship between a pathogen, environment and their host is called as the epidemiology. These are some terminologies are used in plant pathology. Now I am going to stop my lecture. Thank you.